about music and concentrate on creating generation gaps. Call all hippies boring old farts and set light to them.
How many ways to get what you want? I use the best, I use the rest. I use the enemy. I use anarchy to fly. I wanna be anarchist. Get here.
Terrorize, threaten and insult your own useless generation. Suddenly, you've become a novel idea, and you've got people wanting to join in. You've gained credibility from nothing. You're the talk of the town. Develop this as a story you can sell.